Just this
No,
one.
no.
Okay.
Everyone, my name is Mustafa, and
I don't know why.
unfortunately my
It's
two
okay.
group members is not here. One is my team leader, and I think he is trying to selling my product in the market, and another is my HR assistant, Jess. She is not here, but me, I'm a marketing manager, and my IT technician, Minsu is here.
I should just say, for the purpose of this, Mustafa runs a company, and you are all his employees. This is staff training.
So I'm trying to promote my new product here. What is the aim and the purpose for my product is because I know here in this place, majority of people have iPhone, iPod. So that's why I am promoting this my product. This is my title. I am trying to connect this everyone with my product. So let's connect to the third word. Third word, in the third word is most important and useful thing is iPhone. iPhone, everyone, anytime can connect. You can call by face to face, you can talk face to face. But this is not my product. My product is this, like this. This is a charger. You can charge your iPhone without your charger. This is a portable charger. This is another type of charger. And this is another charger. But this is not my product. This is very old and now I am producing a new one. This one.
Ooh,
This
school.
is not iPhone case. This is a charger. Everyone can say a portable charger. I can show you. I have one sample, and the benefit of this thing, if you're going in a bus, in a train, and your iPhone is, the battery is going down, what you can do? Can you do something? Can you do something?
No charges now.
If you have a charger in your bag, how can you charge? No. No. I didn't see.
Yes, no, 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 yes.
And if you go in a bus, there is no any point for charger. So that time, my product
It's
is
okay?
very helpful.
Yes.
How I can show you if anyone have iPhone, please.
It's free. The phone is not free, charge it.
Yes, thank you. This is low. This iPhone charging is at almost maximum of 50% is there. But
You just say
I need a charge. So that the going down, we just put in my product.
Chen, say hello.
iPhone is not good.
Chen, say hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Say hello. Say hello.
So everyone listen, I'm getting the charger for free.
Look, I just put here like this and let's start a charger. There is no any plug, no any socket, you don't need. You can charge 2 times. The iPhone is a not a very, but costly. But the one problem, the problem is always in iPhone, the battery problem. The battery problem is because in iPhone, battery, internal batteries are just 1240 megahertz. But this is my product, is 21,000 megahertz, 2100 megahertz. So that's it means you can charge at 2 times. Your phone is going just 4 hours battery. After 4 hours, they're going down. If you have this product, you can charge it 2 times for 4 hours. It means 12 hours. If you out of your house, you can charge. You can always connect with my product in a 12 hours. When you go at home, you can charge again. And this is not a very like this thing. You just put always with your iPhone. Don't need a cover out. This is 21 megahertz battery in this product. And I have a lots of types, lots of design, lots of colors. This is one white and the black. The most people like these 2 colors. And the full front and back are full protection. You buying I think a $30, $40 just cover for iPhone. I am giving a battery charger plus cover. Stylish look. Yeah, like me. And I one day, 24 hours, and in a 24 hours, 1,440 minutes, and in a 1,440 minutes, 86,400 seconds. So it means you connect every time with everyone with my product. Yes. Just 2 hour charging. They need just 2 hour charging. Not too much. If you connect a computer, you can connect easily with a computer, with a charger for just 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can use for 12 hours. This is actual picture of my product. This is a cable. Everyone have some people like Nokia mobiles, and Nokia mobiles always using like this cable. You can charge, you can connect with iTunes. This cable. This cable is my product. This is very thin, not a very heavy or like this. The phone switch like incorporates high capacity battery in a full protection. I can check that is less than 17 millimeter. You can see in a picture and you can see in a This is same like iPhone. There is a charger, but this is same like iPhone.
It's better, quite better.
Okay. Quick charge technology. The connecting board incorporates high speed 1 ampere. When 1 ampere is equal 5 megawatts. Charging technology, it provides twice the industry standard power output charging and iPhone for fully in a less than 2 hours. In a 2 hours you can charge your iPhone with your battery. Your iPhone and your battery you can charge together in a one time.
As much as you can.
This is another thing, but same like, but this is in a metal.
As much as you can.
I told you before we have lots of design, stylish looks. So this one is stylish look. This is a metal, and this is very, very beautiful. I'm saying this is very beautiful because this is a metal and silver metal. This one is same like this. There is just 2 parts. One is up cover, upper cover, and the one for a back cover. You can connect like this. And now this is your iPhone plus charger. And you connect a maximum 13-14 hours easily. Innovative 5 points LED in this how you don't know it's charged or not. If you wanna see this is a charge or not, there is a 5 lights and very small button. You just click here.
10 minutes. You finish. 자꾸 나보고
Like this.
고등에 나오는
This is telling you
애플에 이러고 싶은가 봐. 애플에 이러고 싶은가 봐.
please stand.
쟤네도 한 번씩 이런 거 이제 페이스북 같은데
So
유튜브에
this is the
올리던데.
5 lights and this button.
하고만 완벽했네.
You can see this is charged or not and how is our
이런 새끼도 생겼다.
maximum left charging in my charger. And there is a chart. I am showing the chart here.
정말
Why?
댓글보다
Because
오늘
I want to
댓글
show you about the batteries. Different type of batteries in the market. I showed you before. This is that are all the chargers, portable charger, but they're not doing the same like this. My battery is going 20 hours, 40 hours, and 60 hours, maximum 80 hours, easily. You can 80 hours connect with my product if you want. The connecting word battery extender will more than double your ability to use your iPhone for voice, music, videos, games, and iPhone's applications. Increase your productivity. The connecting word battery extender will more than double your ability to use your iPhone for voice, music, videos, and games on the iPhone.
Let's finish.
This is battery charge. I am showing you here a 50% to 110% is going up 70% by a 21 megahertz. In a market, a different type of megahertz battery like our 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 to 21 megahertz. And my product is a 21 megahertz, so that's why you can connect not 100%, 110%. I show you before, this is a charger but like a front and back cover. So the full front and back iPhone case protection in a charger. It also adds increased iPhone durability and ergonomics. The charging 2-hour quick charging technology. We are very fast. 1 ampere, I told you before, 1 ampere is equal to 5 volt. So this is a 5 volt battery. Then you can charge very quickly and very easily. And this is another thing. This is from Apple Mac, and Apple is the same thing. This is certified from the Apple. This is not a Apple product, but this is certified from the Apple. And there is some specification. I told you a lot of things, but I want to show you something here. iPhone 4 has battery case specifications. This is a model name, iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S, and you can charge iPhone 3 for third generation, not a second generation. iPhone have a lot of generation, so we called and we can say you can charge a third generation, not a second and one generation. Battery capacity to 2100 megahertz, and output means how you volt put inside. So just for 5 volt, size is a very small, very thin size, and weight 79 grams, not a kilo, half kilo, just 79 grams. That's it. That was my product. I want to show you, I want to tell you, because I know very well in Australia and all over the world, everyone want and everyone using iPhone, and everyone facing a problem for charging. So that's why I introduced my product here, because I know this is a need of people, and I am trying to promote this product because of needs. And I know this is your needs, and if you want If you wanna buy, you just contact me, call me, email me. I'll send you at your home by post. And this is not a very costly, it's very cheapest. Because you can, if you can buy a 700 and 800 iPhone, you can buy easily this product. This charges in a market $18. But if you buy from online, you can get a discount. How much discount? When you send email, then I'll tell you how you get a discount.
Sorry, let me ask you one thing, please.
Yeah,
So are you currently working at the shop, or is it just your product is serious?
yeah, this is my product. I'm not working in the store.
So how much is that again, please?
Sorry,
How much is that?
I told you before.
18 or 18?
8080.
18.
Yeah.
Interesting. Can I give you email? Or phone number?
Very good. Got a customer.
Yeah.
You got two
Any
customers.
more questions?
누가 이렇게 자꾸 질문을 해대는 거야?
Thank you very much.